Shani, you have got your long experience in Zumba fitness, and today you are organizing a mega musical show here in Jharsuguda. What is your experience regarding Zumba fitness, and what do you see for the future?
Basically, by accidentally, I met Sucheta Pal, who is the Zumba education specialist for India. She has been representing India. So I got a chance to meet her. She told me what is Zumba basically all about. So Zumba is basically all about fitness and dance all together. There is no right, no wrong. Everybody can dance, any age group, from 3 years to 60 years. Everybody can dance, and it's more of livelihood actually. Dance is not for only dancers. Basically, it's for everybody. It can move your body, it can move your heart, it can move it, everything. We are very soon planning for a charitable event and biggest masterclass of Orissa, and luckily till now I am the only Zumba fitness instructor. I am also certified in Zumba Centaur, which is Zumba with chair. It's more of toning and less of cardio. And as we love dancing, as you all know, and we are going to take it more and more.
What is the experience in Jharsuguda, and how Jharsuguda responds to you with regard to Zumba art form?
In Jharsuguda, it has been taken a huge turn from 2012. I was a certified Zumba instructor. I became a certified Zumba instructor in 2012. Then after that, it took a very slow process for me to make people understand what is Zumba all about. But now I guess so people are taking it very positively, and the response is very nice. And I hope that it will take everybody. I want you to do Zumba also.
Finally, today's event have got 75 art forms of Zumba. What is special about this year's function?
This year function, we are basically going to present a Zumba fitness demonstration, as well as we are going to present 20 international dance styles, from belly to ballet to jazz to flamenco, all international dance styles. Every year we come with a new theme. We have Bollywood, we have done folk dancing also. This year with something new, we are dancing international forms, 20 international dance forms. Maybe coming year we'll come with something new else.
Okay.
Thank you.
All the best.
Thank you.